Understanding health insurance, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. Health insurance is vital for covering medical expenses and ensuring financial security. Types of claims. There are two main types of claims, cashless and reimbursement. Cashless claims involve direct settlement with hospitals. Reimbursement claims require upfront payment by the policyholder. Claim process. For cashless claims, inform the insurer and get pre-authorization. The insurer settles the bill directly with the hospital. For reimbursement, pay bills, submit documents, and await approval for reimbursement. Understand your policy and choose network hospitals. Inform the insurer early and maintain accurate records. Regularly check claim status to ensure smooth processing. Conclusion. Filing claims correctly ensures timely assistance. Understand the process, submit complete documents, and follow best practices for a hassle-free experience. Contact us. www.daakhilno.com